Are you guys currently living in South Korea? And do you really want to make some extra money apart from your job? Then you should watch this entire video. Let's go. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm gonna let you know about how you can make some earnings without any investment through a familiar application called TikTok. It is really a crazy way of earning with zero investment that can help you for daily living expenses in a safe and legal way. Nowadays, TikTok is providing bonus points to increase their users. All they are doing is to attract new users. So basically, you all need to do is invite your friends through multiple platforms like Facebook, Messenger, email, SMS, and so on other. Simply, in order to get bonus amount, you have to invite non-TikTok user friends. If your friend is an existing TikTok user, then they should have to sign up a brand new TikTok account using different details like new email, extra cell phone number, and so on. If you have multiple mobile devices, that will be a great advantage for you. To start this process, I have provided some links in description down below this video. Simply get down there and click one of these links and follow this video tutorial. After clicking the link, this screen will pop up. Here, first of all, you have to copy this invitation code, which helps you to get 12k Korean won instantly on the last processing stage after signed up. Copy it through Oksahagi and click on TikTok Hypehagi. Then the process will monitor you towards Play Store or App Store. Download it and open the application. Then agree all terms and conditions and click next. Again click next or Kesokhagi. Then fill up your birth details. Above 19 years is recommended. Then next, check all the circles and click next. Now if you are using TikTok for the first time, you can go with cell phone number. If not, existing users are recommended to follow email option. Then fill up your mail details. Verify by sliding the right the arrow. Now generate a password and press next. Again click Kesokhagi. After that, here after clicking Hagen, you will get 5k point instantly. Now it's time to collect 12k Korean won by entering invitation code. Paste that copied code here and press Hagen. Here we go. We can see we got 12k points. That means 12k Korean won. Okay, now you can earn more money by inviting friends. If they signed up through your referral code, you will get more points, as you can see here. After all this, you have to give 20 minutes time once a day to collect points. First of all, press Kesok button, then select refresh or copy the link. You will get 500 points. Second, press Kesok button and upload a short video about anything that will give you 1k point. And last one, press Kesok button, then watch TikTok videos up to 20 minutes a day. You have to follow these three processes once a 24 hours. Last but not least, let's jump over your earnings withdrawal process. Click the shown amount, then choose one of the available amount option and press Chulgamhagi. Then fill up your bank details and select next, and there you go. That's all for today guys. If you guys like this video and think it useful, then hit the subscribe button, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.